The girl annoying as DiDi. Alright you guys, so what I got for you guys is a smoothie. Let me bring it down. Let me bring it down here for a little bit. Alright, so today's smoothie is going to be a green smoothie. I got this idea from, I think it's Yakai Awakening or Ziyaki. And so I got me some apples, a lemon, and ginger, some celery, spinach because they didn't have kale at the store, and some cilantro. And as my sweetener, I know he didn't have any sweeteners, but I need my sweetener. We're gonna use some coconut cream and a little bit of coconut milk to give it a creamy texture. And don't forget your spring water. I don't know. We're gonna start up chopping up the lemon. So everything is gonna be gone in there whole. You know, I got a knife sharpener, but I don't know if it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. I'm using the ginger skin on. I'm gonna strain and then give the pulp to my plants. Smells so good. It sounds like it's going to be real sour and refreshing. And you know I'm going to put the whole apple in there, right? Quarter. It'll be so nice if only for one night.
What bananas one?
Damn.
No way.
Yes way. She talking about, I want a banana smoothie. Like, I'm making green smoothies today. Wait till next week. And then huff down the bananas. It'll be so nice. Only for one night. I think I'm gonna use the rest of this. One night.
You use the sharpener?
I did. It did a little something. I think I don't want to have to sit and like sharpen it, you know. But that's what it's looking like. I'm gonna have to do. Yes, I'm putting the whole thing in here. It'll be so nice, if only for one night. Alright. Alright, you guys, so I'm finna add my spring water. It'll be so nice, it's only for one night. I got that song stuck in my head. I'm gonna add the coconut milk. Turn this into an ice cream. And I got my coconut cream. It's creaming. I don't know if it's gonna be enough, so. Alright, so we got celery, apples, lemon,
Daddy, can you see it now?
I'm done making my lunch.
garlic, what is that called? Ginger?
Y'all ate all the bananas?
Spinach. I ain't even washing nothing. I'm thugging it right now. And a little bit of cilantro. Mind you guys, this is my first time using my blender. I don't know which way it's supposed to go. There you go. Alright, it's time to blend it up. Am I supposed to? It's done.
That sound annoying neither, like them cheap blenders.
Non-stop.
Nah, that's not like I'll try a leaf blower or something.
I don't know why I thought that was gonna make more. Alright, so let's.
Where the pineapples at? We ain't got no pineapple. What you got? Apples?
Ouch. Hit my hip. I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm finna try it. You wanna try it with me?
Sure. Not bad. You want to put no sugar in here?
I put some cream. I should have put the whole bottle.
What is that?
What?
Is that cilantro?
Oh.
Taste it.
You taste the cilantro? I don't. That means you needed it.
Celery. Tastes like soap.
Tastes like coconut. Now I taste the cilantro.
I ain't supposed to drink this.
Why you not?
This is your type of drink. This is a green drink.
This is grass. I'm gonna go get me some mint from outside. You know what green drink I need to
I
make?
need some fruity.
No, this is why. This is, you need to be drinking this. You need to
I don't
finish.
like it.
You need to finish that.
You need to put some fruit in there so it can be sweeter. It tastes.
I did. I put apples.
Bro. Need some sugar.
That's why you get dealing with what you're dealing with now.
Let me taste yours.
We got the same thing.
Daddy!
Yours tastes better.
How mine tastes better?
Yours gonna taste all cilantro-y.
Let me
Mix
try.
that. You want to taste it?
Yes. Please don't taste bad. Please don't taste bad.
Need some sugar.
Tastes better now.
Yeah, yours tastes way better than mine.
Let me taste it now.
I'll take this.
I added some more cream.
Nah, you take
coconut
that.
cream. I drink this. Shoot.
Yeah, it was missing that.
The cream.
Yeah, I can't taste none of the other stuff.
Taste something spicy.
You taste the ginger. Her mind's telling her no, but her body's like, girl, you better drink it.
Well, I'm gonna be starving if I just take this. I need some.
It's good.
Tastes like the watermelon lemonade.
The watermelon lemonade.
Yeah, a little bit, but I don't like the stuff inside it because I can taste it.
Man, I'm going now.
You don't like the pulp?
And it looks disgusting because it's green.
It look disgusting.
Yeah, it looks like drink.
It's a green smoothie.
Do you see that inside? Please, please, please.
They just want something sweet.
Watch yourself.
Oh, shit.
You know what? I like starving.
Yes.
That's my lunch, girl.
And it turns off by itself. See if my other kids is gonna like it.
No, Mama has
Here, Yuri, come taste this.
Alright, guys.
What's in it?
I'll see y'all tonight.
You're leaving already?
Yeah.
recipe.
What she said?
Her recipe good. Here, Drake.
Alright, you
Come here,
guys.
babe. Come on
I'll
the
see
camera.
y'all.
Tell
yeah,
'em
hold on.
what it tastes like.
Recipe good.
Recipe good. You
This
like
is good.
it? Come tell them, Drake.
This is amazing.
Ha!
Recipe delicious.
Now, this is my most picky eater. I'm gonna get him.
Oh no, Zay.
Zay! Come here.
Why you gotta call our names like we have to do something? There's gotta be a way for you to call us when you
You
want to
like
show
that,
something.
huh, Zay? Yeah. Here, Papa, taste this. What I tell you about riding a hoverboard in the house? Come. I want them to see your authentic reaction. Taste it. That's good. Good. So this is what we're gonna be having throughout the week. So every morning I'm going to freeze the rest of this, and then tomorrow morning, well, for this week, every morning we'll have a green smoothie. And this was really good. I'm glad I made it.
How much ingredients did we add in this? So delicious.
And I can't believe this has cilantro in it, and you can barely even taste it because cilantro is really strong. And ginger is really spicy.
There's ginger in this?
Yeah. Let me see.
Somebody taste the ginger.
So.
This is delicious.
So good. And I'm glad I didn't take it. I don't need to strain it, right? We don't need to strain it. I think instead of juicing, you should just make a smoothie. Period. Right?
This one's good.
Unless you like. I'm getting full.
Why does everybody have to act so weird in front of a camera?
I'm acting weird in front of the camera.
No, I'm talking about Yuri.
So, I think juice is for like lunch. I don't know. I haven't juiced yet, so we're gonna see how that works. Now that I got a good old, it's my new best friend. Wow. But you guys, I'm gonna get up out of here. And my battery's about to go dead. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys give this smoothie a try. And until next time, it's your girl Annoying as Didi. Eat good, smell good, do good. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.